So the in-person group for Group A identified what an invasive species is when we went out and did our native plant walk here yesterday. An invasive species is basically one that is overgrown in an area. It really doesn't have predators, and it's very difficult to get rid of. We have lots of invasive species in Minnesota, and so today you're going to choose one of them and create like a wanted ad for it. So go ahead and open that, click edit, and you're going to choose a species. Let's see, a good website to, and I don't think I included it, so we will do this right now. Minnesota invasive species. So the DNR, if you look up Minnesota invasive species, and there we go. This is the website we want. I will put that in your slide deck for you. So you can go species by species. So you got birds, insects, mammals, worms, things of that nature. There should be some plants in there too. And you can take a look at, let's say you decide to do the brown stink bug. There's a little fact sheet here that goes with it that you can open up, and you can ID and why it's currently a pest and so on and so forth. So go ahead and pick a species and put its name there. What crimes has it committed? So what kind of damage does it do? A picture of some form, a description of what it looks like, its key characteristics, known accomplices or associates. So how did the species arrive in your state? Usually humans bring them over, but it could be something else. Previous home, where is it native to? Possible hideouts, and what kind of reward for getting rid of the species. So what kind of benefit to our ecosystem? Is there going to be, oh, hey, look, I put that website right down here. So helpful website to use. I must have forgotten about that. That's when we say go home, Fritz, and take a nap. So, all right, the website that I just took you to is down here. And you have a couple of different formats that you can use if you wish. And then there's an example at the bottom. The nutria is not a invasive species in Minnesota. It's in a different state, so it's a good example, and you can use that and then go ahead and just pick one of these. If you don't like the content, you can create your own slide by going up to slide and new slide at the bottom, and you can design it however you want. Have fun with it and have a fantastic day.